Hello and welcome to Learn Station. Today, you will learn a real English conversation at Dubai Airport. Imagine you just arrived in Dubai. You have luggage. You need a taxi. And you must speak English. In this lesson, you will learn simple and natural English sentences used in real life. Listen carefully. Repeat the sentences. And improve your English speaking skills. Let's begin our journey in Dubai.
Hello, welcome to Dubai. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, hello. I just arrived at the airport and I need a ride to my hotel.
Of course, I would be happy to take you. Where is your hotel located?
My hotel is in downtown Dubai, near the Burj Khalifa.
Perfect. That's a very famous area. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the traffic.
That sounds great. Is this your taxi?
Yes, this is my taxi. Please feel free to put your luggage in the trunk.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Is this your first time visiting Dubai?
Yes, it's my first time here and I'm very excited.
You will love Dubai. It's a beautiful city with many amazing places to visit.
I've heard a lot about it. I really want to see the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall.
Those are great choices. The Dubai Mall is one of the biggest shopping malls in the world.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Yes, and inside the mall you can also see the Dubai Aquarium and many restaurants.
That sounds like a great place to spend the evening.
Absolutely. Many tourists enjoy walking around downtown Dubai at night.
I also want to visit the desert.
Desert safari is very popular here. You can ride camels and watch traditional shows.
That sounds like a wonderful experience.
It really is. Many visitors say it's their favorite activity in Dubai.
Thank you for telling me about these places.
My pleasure. I always enjoy helping visitors discover the city.
Dubai looks very modern.
Yes, Dubai is famous for its modern buildings and luxury lifestyle.
I can't wait to explore the city.
You will have a great time here.
Thank you for being so kind and helpful.
You're very welcome. Welcome to Dubai and enjoy your stay.